Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Google Drive for desktop, which is Google's backup and sync client that you can install, just to let you know that Google has announced that it's rolling out new ransomware detection and file restoration features for Google Drive for desktop. So just a quick video to keep you guys in the loop. Now, first of all, the ransomware detection unfortunately is locked behind a subscription, but the file restoration is for everyone, including those of us with personal Google accounts. Now, from the announcement, Google has said that in September of last year, it launched ransomware detection and file restoration in beta. It says to help minimize the impact of malware attacks on personal computers. And then today, which was yesterday on the 30th of March, Google says that these two features are now generally available with significant improvements in malware detection. So compared to when the feature was in beta, Google says it is now able to detect even more types of ransomware, encryption, and are able to do it faster. Google says its latest AI model is detecting 14 times more infections, leading to even more comprehensive protection. So basically what this is all about, if we just have a look at one or two images provided from the announcement. The first is ransomware detection, which as mentioned is hidden behind a subscription. So Google says when users have Google Drive for desktop installed on their computers, file syncing will be paused when ransomware is detected. The user will see a notification appear on their computer. Admins will see an alert in the admin console security center, and Google says notification emails will be delivered to both users and administrators. So that's basically like a safety net that ransomware has been detected and file syncing has been paused. And then rolling out for everyone, we have file restoration, with Google saying that users are able to bulk restore their files to a previous version in Drive, saving them time and money without paying a ransom. Users can select and restore multiple files prior to when ransomware infected their computer, making their files inaccessible. So I actually think this is a nice move. File restoration, restore your files across Google Drive. So you can, as it says here, in the list of file versions below, select a time to undo changes. All file changes across Drive created after the selected time will be undone. Now the rollout pace for both file restoration and ransomware detection is available now, so it's immediate. And file restoration, as mentioned, is available to all Google Workspace customers, individual subscribers, and users with personal Google accounts. And the ransomware detection is available to Business Standard or Enterprise Plus, and so on, those paid tiers for you to actually get the feature. But nonetheless, I still think a nice move in the right direction. And just wanted to keep you guys in the loop if you do find yourself using Google Drive for desktop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.